In this ChatGPT tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can create 100 social media posts for your Instagram to contents within 5 minutes by using ChatGPT as well as Canva. So if let's say you want to know these tips and tricks, remember to stay tuned to the end. Want to learn all my tips on ChatGPT to power up your productivity and efficiency? Go to my free course. It's entirely for free at junlo.net/ChatGPT. So let's come back to this tutorial. So first let us go to ChatGPT and we are going to introduce to ChatGPT what we are doing and what kind of niche and industry that we are serving. So in my industry, we are doing like video marketing. My niche is teaching entrepreneur to build personal branding via live video marketing. Just give the ChatGPT some context, and now you tell ChatGPT, give me top 50 quotes that is related to marketing, video marketing, personal branding. All right, and press enter. So right now, what the ChatGPT is going to do is that they are going to give me about 50 of them, right? The top quotes that you like. So I'm going to use these 50 quotes that is being produced by ChatGPT, and I'm just going to save it in the Excel. And with a one-click bulk create function in Canva, this function is only available in Canva Pro. So it's called bulk create, bulk edit. I'm going to show you guys how I'm able to use that function plus together with ChatGPT and get all the 150 social media posts in just 5 minutes. So I'm not going to wait the ChatGPT to create all of them. So maybe I'll just stop generating, okay, at 15. All right. So you guys can see that right now ChatGPT has already given me 15, and of course it's depending on how many that you're asking for. So now let us just copy paste to it, and I want you guys to open up an Excel. All right, my Excel is ready, and I want you to copy and paste the content that you just copied from ChatGPT into the Excel. So one thing to take note right now, I want you to save as a CSV file. All right, save as CSV file. So let us just go there. And you just select this should be CSV. You can use the comma delimited. All right, this is Canva bulk create. Right. So once you have done that, so now I want to show you guys how you can use the bulk create functions in Canva. So right now, just let us go to Canva. Okay, so let me just put myself over here. Okay, so you can click create a design. Okay, so they will actually ask you what kind of design they want to pick. You can pick like Instagram posts because usually most of the content you are able to create in terms of Instagram square size of posts that you can use in Facebook as well. Just use that, okay? So these bulk create functions will only be available in Canva Pro. So if you haven't gotten your Canva Pro, you should definitely sign up for a free 30-day trial, and it's so amazing. So how to get the bulk create? So before that, let us just search for a quote type of template, right? I think I love this, right? Or if let's say you guys want to have some pictures, maybe let me just pick this one, all right? So after that, I want you guys to click on app, okay? Apps in Canva. Just search bulk create. I think it's bulk. So let me just type bulk. Yeah, bulk create will appear here. So, and after that, they will actually ask you to upload CSV file in Canva. Okay, so what you need to do is, just now we already saved the content we find from the ChatGPT and we paste it in the CSV file, right? So now I want you guys to upload the CSV file. And remember, Canva only recognizes CSV file, so that's the reason why we put the contents from ChatGPT in a CSV file. So once a data field is being identified, so here's the next thing. I want you to tell the Canva, actually this is the part of the quotes, right? So I want you to put your mouse pointer here, and I want you to right click. As you can see, there is this connect data available, and the data you are going to connect would be the quotes, right, that is being shown just now. right? So over here, the content that we have is actually this marketing is no longer about the stuff that you make, but about the stories that you tell. Okay, so once you've done that, what you need to do is just to click continue. And guess what? The Canva Pro automatically put in all the contents for you inside. And all you need to do is just to click generate 14 pages. And guess what? If you give like if let's say you get the content like 50 contents, 50 quotes from ChatGPT, they will actually bulk create all this in Canva Pro for you. So let me just put on cancel. So as you guys can see, it is automatically created for me. And of course, you may want to change the template from time to time, right? You may want to change the background photo. No problem on it. And it's so simple that you're able to change it to anything that you like. Like for example, if let's say your brand color is like blue color, you can select a different type of blue. Wow, it is nice. And or you want to have like a different style, and you want to have like, let us try more type, like this color. Okay, so you just interchange that way, and everything it takes that you're looking up here, it takes less than 5 minutes. As I'm recording this, I'm just going to show you guys how I did it, and it's so simple. So that is the reason why nothing stops you from creating more content when you already have the ChatGPT, as well as you have like these cool functions in Canva. And I believe that these bulk create functions in Canva only available if let's say you have the Canva Pro. So if let's say you haven't signed up for the Canva Pro, feel free to, you can actually look at my link down below that I input into the description box. So I hope that you guys be enjoying this tutorial so far. If let's say you want to get more tips and tricks about how to use ChatGPT, I have this free course for you. I actually attended 3 courses on ChatGPT in order to summarize everything to teach you guys the specific use cases that you can use ChatGPT in your business and in your personal life to save more time. You can go to junlo.net/ChatGPT. junlo.net/ChatGPT. I'm putting at the right hand side. And if let's say you feel like any of your friends can benefit from this course, feel free to send them their way as well. So if let's say you're someone who always always wanted to build your personal branding, you always wanted to start your first reel, want to start your first live video, want to start your first YouTube channel, you just don't have the courage to start, I have something for you. So I specialize in teaching entrepreneurs and coaches and service provider just like you to create your personal branding and to build your authority in your niche in no time via our signature challenge, which is 7-day amazing video challenge. So if let's say you want to be able to create 7 videos in a week with proven results from my students all over the world, you can go to www. When I put a link up here, www.amazingchallenge.us, where inside this challenge, I'm going to handhold you and I'm going to guide you daily for 7 days for about 50 minutes per day. And not only I'm going to teach you what to say in the video, I'm going to teach you how to say it in the video. And it's going to be so simple, and a lot of my students, they have never done any videos before, they are able to complete 7 videos in a week. So go to www.amazingchallenge.us for this 7-day amazing coaching together with me. And most importantly, if let's say you do your homework, you will win cool prizes as well. So with that, I'm going to see you guys back in another video. If let's say you really liked this tutorial, give it a like and leave me some comments down below so that YouTube will recommend this video to even more people. So I'll see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.